In this video, we're going to make this simple text to something like this. First, click the type tool and choose a large font like this. And change the color to solid like black. Now click anywhere inside work area and start typing. Now go to Window, Character, and click Type tool, then click in between of two letters. Now click and drag this to set the cornering between two letters. Then do the same with the others. Ctrl T and resize the text. Now let's add image. Enter, right click its layer and create clipping mask. Then let's move the image like this. We can add another image and then do the same. Click the brush tool, right click and set the hardness to 0. Then start brushing the image like this. We can add shadow of the text by clicking the text layer. Click the icon here, then click drop shadow. Now let's adjust something here, then OK. Let's add background by clicking the icon here, gradient, change linear to radical, check reverse, then OK. Lastly, let's lower the opacity of the gradient background, then we're done. That's 1 minute. See you next tutorial.